I gave you my heart.
Good morning children. Now we are going to do the explanation on lesson number 6, a grain as big as a hen's egg. This is a story written by Leo Tolstoy and in 1886. One day some children found in a ravine a thing shaped like a grain of corn with a groove down the middle but as large as a hen's egg. A traveller passing by saw the thing, bought it from the children for a penny, and taking it to the town, sold it to the king as a curiosity. Now, one day, what happened? Some of the children found in a ravine. Ravine is a narrow valley. Now, there they found a corn, grain of corn, and it in the middle, and it was as large as a hen egg. And the traveler was passing by, and he took that grain from the children's hand, and he paid them a penny. The king called together his wise men and told them to find out what the thing was. The wise men pondered and could not make a head or tail of it, and until one day, when the thing was lying on the window sill, and then a hen flew and pecked at it, and she made a hole. And when the hen made a hole, it was a grain. The wise men went to the king and said that it is a grain of corn. The king was surprised and ordered the learned man to find out when and where such a corn has grown. The learned man pondered again and searched on the books, but could not find nothing about it. So they returned to the king and said, "We can give you no answer. There is nothing about it in our books. You will have to ask the peasants. Perhaps some of them may have heard from their fathers when they were grain grew to such a size." Now the king was surprised, and the wise men were surprised, and they went to the king and said that we have been searching in the box and calling the people, and we are just pondering on the things, but we find nothing. It is you must call the old peasants or the farmers and their fathers and forefathers, and they will tell us about the grains. So the king gave order that a very old peasant should be brought before him, and his servant found such a man and brought him to the king, old and bent, ashy pale and toothless. He just managed with the help of two clutches to totter into the king's presence, and then by hearing the words of the wise men, the king ordered his soldiers and his servants to go and bring the very old peasants, and they all gone, and they brought the old and bent, ashy pale and toothless peasants, and he was having two clutches, and he was walking with the balance of that crutches in front of the kings, and in front of the king, and all the people who were sitting in the king presence were looking at this peasants. This all for today children, this much, and next I will do the next page explanation. And be happy and be safe and stay at home. Thank you.